Tracking company receipts and expenses is truly a hassle, something well known to everyone involved in the process. It also leaves more room for error when manually calculating and creating business expense reports. Utilizing an expense management software system can reduce this headache, making your financial tracking hassle-free. Today, we're going to show you the 7 best expense management software, which will help automate your financial processes, increase accuracy, and reduce manual effort. So let's get started. First up is Emburse Certify, a great tool if you're looking for expense management software that handles everything from expense tracking to detailed reporting. One of the standout features of Certify is its receipt scanning capability, which uses OCR, optical character recognition, to extract data automatically from your receipts. This means less manual data entry, which can save time and minimize errors. For example, instead of entering details manually after a business lunch, you just snap a picture of your receipt, and Certify takes care of the rest. Certify is well suited for small to mid-sized businesses, which offer a mobile app to manage expenses on the go and a web dashboard for administrators to keep an eye on the bigger picture. This kind of ease can help business travelers quickly submit their expenses and get approvals faster. The pricing starts at $12 per user per month, which makes it affordable for small teams. However, larger businesses will find value in Certify's customizable plans, which make it adaptable as your company scales. It's a great option if you need a tool that simplifies not just expense submissions, but also integrates with other finance tools like QuickBooks. Next up is Payhawk, perfect for businesses that operate internationally due to its multi-currency support. One recommendation for companies addressing expenses across borders is to utilize software that seamlessly accommodates multiple currencies. Payhawk excels in this regard, which enables businesses to quickly manage transactions in both GBP and EUR without any additional hassle. It's ideal for larger businesses that need to track a lot of expenses while also managing corporate cards and invoices in one platform. Payhawk also supports a generous credit limit, which makes it a viable choice for businesses that need flexible spending options. If you often find yourself spending in different currencies or needing real-time tracking of corporate expenses, Payhawk can be a lifesaver. Also, the integration with accounting software like Xero and QuickBooks makes the workflow even smoother, and its real-time reporting can help finance teams monitor spending as it happens. That means fewer surprises when it's time to reconcile accounts. The learning curve might take some time, but for large-scale operations, it's worth the investment. So now we have Wave, a highly recommended option for small businesses, mostly because it's free for the core features. The important point here is that if you don't need payroll or advanced features, Wave can save you money while offering solid expense management. One thing that makes Wave stand out is its ability to handle multiple currencies, which is a plus if you work with clients from different countries. While Wave offers a clean dashboard and a user-friendly interface, it does charge for scanning and uploading receipts. This could be a minor downside if you're looking for free receipt management. However, if your business doesn't require too many bells and whistles, and you're looking for something cost-effective, Wave is a great choice. Since it's integrated with bookkeeping and invoicing as well, it's more than just an expense tracker, it gives you a full picture of your finances. It might not offer the most advanced features, but for its price or lack of them, it's hard to beat for small operations. Expensify is another excellent expense management solution, especially for businesses that need detailed reporting and receipt tracking. One helpful feature is Expensify's Smart Scan, which lets you scan receipts that are automatically categorized and added to your expense report. This makes it perfect for frequent travelers or employees who constantly deal with expenses. For instance, you can use the mobile app to scan a receipt after a taxi ride, and Expensify will take care of adding it to the right category without requiring you to do much else. Expensify integrates well with tools like QuickBooks and Xero, which makes it a good fit for businesses that already use these platforms for accounting. One downside, though, is that some users find the pricing a bit high, particularly for small businesses. However, if your business has more complex expense tracking needs, the investment in Expensify might pay off in terms of efficiency. Its user-friendly interface ensures that anyone, whether they are tech-savvy or not, can manage expenses without much hassle. Now, Raidu excels in managing international expenses and travel bookings, which makes it a perfect choice for businesses with frequent international travel. A key tip here is to choose software that can handle both travel and expenses if your team is always on the move. Also, it allows users to book flights and hotels, and it automatically tracks expenses related to these bookings. It also offers real-time insights into spending, so finance teams can keep track of expenses without waiting until the end of the month. One of the standout features is its integration with tools like Uber and Lyft, which can be extremely convenient for teams on the go. The platform is designed to reduce paperwork and manual entry, with features like OCR receipt scanning. If you're working with a global team, the ability to handle local currencies and comply with international tax regulations makes Raidu an ideal option. Upcoming is Gusto, primarily known for its payroll services, but its expense management features make it a strong contender for businesses looking for an all-in-one solution. If you already use Gusto for payroll, adding expense management to the mix makes perfect sense. The seamless integration allows businesses to manage both employee pay and expenses from the same platform. For instance, if you reimburse employees for business expenses, Gusto can handle that right alongside your payroll processing, which ensures everything stays in one place. This makes it easier to track costs and simplifies tax preparation at the end of the year. However, Gusto may not be the best fit if your primary need is standalone expense tracking. It works best when used in conjunction with its payroll features, so it's ideal for businesses that want to automate both processes. The pricing is competitive, and the overall ease of use is a huge benefit for teams that don't want to juggle multiple platforms. Lastly, Spendesk is designed to give finance teams more control over spending, and it offers features that allow businesses to set spending limits for employees. This is particularly useful for companies that want tighter control over expenses without creating bottlenecks. If you've ever had issues with overspending or unauthorized expenses, Spendesk's approval workflows can ensure that only pre-approved purchases go through. Additionally, Spendesk integrates easily with accounting tools like Xero, which helps automate expense reporting and eliminates much of the manual work. While both Spendesk and Payhawk offer multi-currency support and similar features, Spendesk's focus on strict controls and policy enforcement might make it more appealing for businesses that need to manage spending closely. In contrast, Payhawk offers a higher credit limit, which may be more suitable for larger organizations with heavy spending needs. So those are our takes on the best expense management software, each with its unique benefits and features. We hope this video gives you a good idea of the possibilities and helps you make the right choice for your needs. Let us know if you have any further questions or would like to share your thoughts in the comments below.